times. Next is the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. This is $5.99. That's what it looks like. It's the one in the jar. And I have used every bit of it. It smells like the most clean smell. It's like kind of like a smell. I almost want to say baby shampoo, like Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo, but better. It smells like the 70s, like not the stinky hippie part of the 70s. For those of you who are alive in the 70s, you know what I'm talking about. That very clean smell, like that fresh out of the shower smell. And I don't know what the products were because I was so young in the 70s, but this reminds me, it brings back childhood flashbacks. So it reminds me of something in the 70s. Okay, next we had the Utterly Smooth Hand Cream Daily Moisture. I get this from the dollar store. It's $1. That's fine. I wouldn't actually use it on my hands and stuff. I mean, I guess I would. But I use it mostly for my legs. I'm diabetic, so I have very dry skin. Very dehydrated skin. Next was the Avon Footworks Cracked Heel Cream. These are I have two of them, so that would be $15.93. I went through two. Next was the Good Chemistry Queen Bee, and this was a sample worth $1.25. It has the packaging like that. It is cruelty-free and vegan, and it had a black currant peony. I always say this wrong. Peony amber, and it smells amazing. It does not linger. I would buy it if it lingered. Next was the Dior Adore Enjoy. And this sample was half as much as the Queen Bee, and it is worth $2.25. To be perfectly honest, I don't really remember this. What I do remember about it was it said ylang ylang and jasmine, and I smelt it and I was like, that's not what I'm getting. It had a floral smell, but there was something not right about it. So I don't know. I don't really remember too much exactly what it smelled like, but I remember there was just something not right. You know how you have your preferences with perfume? Well, that one wasn't my preference. Next, we have the Onyx Professional Nail Polish Remover. Yeah, it's 100% acetone. It's terrible for my nails. And you know what? It removes every nail polish I've ever had. It removes it quick, fast, bam, it's gone. So, yeah, I'm terrible to my fingernails. This is also $2.48, and I bought it at Walmart. Next is the Seche V. This is what the box looks like. You buy it in a little box like that. And it's like, it dries your nails real fast. Like, it's a fast-drying top coat. And when it gets down to about that far, it gets really thick and so you can't use it all the way down. That's about as far as you can go. If you can see that, it's like moving in slow motion. It's so thick. But anyways, this is $7.69, and I have already repurchased. So next was the OPI Start to Finish. This is, it's a base coat, it's a strengthener, It's a top coat. I liked this product, but it's $13.95. I didn't like it that much. I mean, maybe I'd repurchase it, but I don't know if I really liked it that much. Next was the Ion Volume Solution. This shampoo, it's $6.99. My mom bought it for me one time, and it was nice. I liked it. I used it, and I can't say anything great about it, but it was good. Good enough to use it. I don't use a lot of shampoo on my hair, so if I say I finished off a big 10-ounce bottle like that, it was pretty good. Next was the Nexus Carafix shampoo. This is a little 3-ounce sample that's worth $1.15, and I have probably about a half a dozen, or like probably about 6 to 8 bottles of shampoo under my sink. So when it comes time to buy shampoo, this is my choice of shampoo. I love that shampoo so much. Next was the Ren Pure Advanced Tea Tree and Lemon Sage Conditioner. This was $5.98. That's what the bottle looks like. It wasn't very moisturizing. Towards the beginning of the summer, I had a skin reaction, and I had changed out all of my products to different products that I'd never used. And this was part of that process. I'll discuss that in a future video. Maybe. The thing I read the back of it. It said plant-based, gluten-free. They give back. It's family-owned and operated. It's a Redmond family company, and it talks about like the different things that they contribute to. It's made in America, not tested on animals. It's recycled materials for the packaging, and then it says tested on the Redmond family. I just thought that was so cute. This little touches like that gets me. It'll make me buy a product. I would like to try some of the other formulations of their hair conditioner. This one just was not conditioning enough. So, next was the Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner. It was 97 cents. It smelt very perfumey. I would not purchase that. Next is the Hollywood Beauty Carrot Cream. This is $6.70. And I use these all the time. How I only have one for this month, I do not know. But anyways, that's that. Next, there was the Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. This is worth $4.81. That's what it looks like. It's a sample. I got it in Sephora Play. Okay, if you can see this. Like, I am pressing down as hard as I can with my thumb. I cannot get the sprayer to work. It worked a couple of times. This worked a couple of times, but I really can't get it to work anymore. And I wasn't really crazy about the product, but I loved the smell of it. And I would repurchase it just for that smell. It smelled great to me. I don't know. There's something about that smell that just smelled so amazing. Next was the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bod Buff. This sample is worth... Oh, the sample of the Moroccan Dry Texture Spray was $4.81. The sample of this was worth $3.99. It looks like that, and it's really it smells really amazing. I'm not real crazy about exfoliants, and this is an exfoliant or a body mask, or I don't know how they described it exactly, but it was like soothing scrub and mask. I used it as a body scrub. It worked great. It smells so good. It has the Boom Boom cream smell. So that's a plus. Real quick before I forget, that Nexus shampoo, I looked into buying it, and it's all with a pump, and I don't like a pump, so I'll probably end up having to buy it and put it into a different kind of container. Maybe I'll save that container. I don't like pumps. Lastly, we have two. These are Chic Intuition razor cartridges. Two of them. That is worth $8.81. And then I also, somewhere down here, I also have 6 hair ties. Who knows how much these cost? Who cares how much they cost? I have so many hair ties. I can't even tell you how many hair ties I still own. I don't think I've bought one in 10 years. So that was a grand total of $239.23. Wow. That's a lot of products. So here we are with our big bucket of products. Wow. That's a lot of products. We have a little bit of spillover. Amazing. Ah! Here comes Pooh. Okay, if you like my video and you like me, or, you know, if you like Empties, hit like, hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!